back here at Swan Reach again. Thought I'd just come up, do another update down here. And you still can't get past. The road's still closed, so was going to go down, do some filming, but nah, it's a big no-no. We'll go down to Blanche down there, look down there. Okay, see you. Okay, people, we're at Blanche down here. This is the toilet block. Not much left of it. Over there used to be the oval. All one side of that wall's gone. And yeah. I came down here last week when there was fishing down here. I have to put my camera down. There's a police car over there. We'll catch up with you in a minute. The police car's back there, so I'll do a little bit. Look at this building here. I was going to walk down, but it's too hot. I don't know how far we can go down. I might get out down here somewhere and have a look and see what happens. It's gone down a heck of a lot since last week. Back where that other pipe is, should have seen the carp in there. Oh my God, look at this old place. Absolutely demolished. We haven't been down here since the water's gone down. Not this far. Yeah, people, look at the fish down there. All carp, I don't know if you can see them down there. Heaps of them. Down there where the ducks are, you can see them. And see an orange one down there. I might have to stop and have a look. I mean, hopefully it'll be right to park here. Shouldn't be that boggy. I'm just going to go down and have a look, and yeah, I'll turn this off and get out and have a look around and everything else, and take my seatbelt off. And better get the keys out. Big tree down over there.
It worries me about the big trees here.
Big dead carp here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8. 8 carp, no one there. Have a look at them in there.
What all them pipes are for?
Hey?
What all them pipes are for?
I don't know. There's heaps of carp in there. Have a look at them all. There's a biggish one down there. Over there. Hundreds of them. Big ones, little ones, and yeah. Have a look at them there. Big one over there. I've seen an orange one here before. Eh? What, the orange one?
They're all chasing little fish. You see them jumping out the
Oh,
water.
there it is.
Little fish.
I didn't even see the orange one down there. Now we'll go down here and have a look. Booked in the hotel, the pub for a dinner. So we'll go down there at 6:30. So somebody's yabby net over here. The water going flowing through there.
Hello, mate.
How are you?
You got a place in here, have you?
No, I'm just filming.
Oh, yeah. No, it said emergency services vehicles only on the.
Oh, is it?
That's what it, mate, you saw it. You read it. You'd have line if you didn't. There's power lines down, there's sinkholes, there's septic.
Yeah, right.
And I don't want to see people in here taking the opportunistic for crime. You're not one of those people. But that's why we're here, mate.
Okay.
We've got SAP networks working because there's hidden dangers everywhere, mate.
Yeah.
You've seen the sign, mate.
I didn't really see it, honestly.
If you've driven past it, it says emergency access only on road closed, alright?
Yeah.
Oh, here's a- this is not sign up there.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, is there?
Yes, there's signs all through there.
Oh, okay.
I know that. Problem is if you come down, everyone else is going to come down. Alright? And there are power lines and stuff all around. Not electrical heat, alright?
No worries.
Okay then, no worries.
There's no sign there.
I didn't see it either. Okay, people. There was a Mr. Policeman in a plain car. We have to go, we're not allowed in here. So we'll go down, I don't know.
Go have our dinner.
He reckons there's a sign up there, we didn't see no sign. Okay, we'll catch you after. Okay, people. Sorry about that, but we was down there. We wasn't allowed down there. Cop came along and cop came along and said we're not allowed down here. Asked us if we're locals. I said no, we're just filming. He said, oh, people take advantage coming down here. He said, I know you're not because you're filming, blah blah blah. So virtually we got booted out and can't go down there and do any. But yeah, we're at the lock, so yeah. Sorry about that, peoples, but such is life. We'll go here and what's the time? 6:15. We'll go down under the bridge after and maybe see if we can get on the other side. Oh, I don't know.
See the lock now for sure, so.
That's how much it's gone down.
Yeah.
It was right up to that little office there.
Yeah. And glass plates over there too.
Yeah, you would have heard the copper talking when it was down there.
Yeah.
There was a yabby net down there too. I was checking it out, but
He stopped you.
I didn't get there to have a look quick enough. Yeah, oh well, shit happens. So yeah. Yeah, it's just one of those things.
The car's open, I might go too far.
We'll go down, I know we'll go to the pub, have our dinner first and we'll go down the other side and this will probably be the last time we come up here. So,
Yeah.
I don't know, well, unless we can find someone else to do. If you got to,
A month or two.
maybe a month and we'll come up and yeah, let it go for a while and see how everything's going and yeah. Right then people, catch you after.
Amen.
Okay, we're coming down here towards the bridge. They had signs up there but it says nothing about road closed,
All
just
local traffic.
emergency heavy vehicles can come down. But yeah, oh, if we get in the shit, we get in the shit. Last week that there was just underwater, or way underwater I should say. Oh, someone's down here with a boat, so you can't get in the ship for that then.
You must state though that they are looking out for the public safety.
Yeah, they are looking out for the public safety,
Because he was saying about electrical wires.
about electrical wires and everything
Right
else, but
ones.
that's not the point anyway.
It is. You shouldn't bag them. They're doing their job.
Might go for a quick walk down to the bridge. It's not that far down. We'll go down and have a goosey gander.
I wish you wouldn't park under trees.
Oh, we'll get a new car out of it. Alright people, we'll catch you when we get down there. We're just walking down here. There's a boat back there. Someone's got a boat out in the river somewhere. It's gone down a bit. Last week was up here. It's amazing how much. It's crazy.
This was covered last week, wasn't it?
Yeah, up here it was, yeah. A post came down from somewhere. That's how high it was up there.
See on the bridge down.
Aye?
See on the bridge.
Yeah. I was going to film more on the frickin' car back there too, but he told us to leave. Come around here. Have a look how high it came in. Must be a good 20 feet, I reckon. Up there. It's unreal. All their fences are down. There's a yabby net over there. A shrimp net, whatever, that green thing. Stop laughing, Mr. Kookaburra. Oh, there he is up in the tree there. Okay, we best go to the pub now. A few fish in there, you can see. Literally just spent the post over there. Must be that much force. Still a little bit muddy here. Nice little spot this. What? Oh, there's a kookaburra up there.
Oh, where's the-
There he goes.
Look at that ladder. What's that ladder up there?
I don't know.
It's someone's treehouse or something. Oh no, it's electrical wires. That's probably why.
Okay, people, we'll catch you a bit after. We'll go on the other side so we can get over there, and I like to do a bit more filming. But see what happens. Catch yous after. Welcome back, people. Just got out of the pub. We're down here on the other side of Blanche town, where it goes into the caravan park. But we can't go any further than this. Road closed. And as we were coming down, seeing that copper up there, so I'm not going in. It'll be after us for sure. But I'll just go here a little bit and yeah. Still a bit of water in there. Came up pretty high. Came up fair bit actually. A little old back. Big tree that came down. Okay then people, I wish I could do more filming but I can't. Too many road closures. And if that cop car catches again I think we'll get into shit. Okay, hope you like my videos, like them, subscribe when you do and everything else, and yeah, catch you on the next one. Take care. You push it down.
Oh yeah. This is what we're driving into, we can't see.